Hey guys, so we're going to talk about the birds and the bees. When people say that, what do you think it means?
I think the birds help, the bees help make honey.
No, when people use the phrase the birds and the bees, they're talking about like relationships, like husband and wife, boyfriend, girlfriend. Yeah, we're talking about sex. Okay, what do you not know about sex? I know how babies are made. How are babies made?
So, the bee they do their business. Yeah.
They do their business. So what's their business? What does the man have and what does the woman have?
The man has
The man has
a private part.
a penis.
Same thing.
I know it's a bit of an uncomfortable topic, but
Stop busting up.
it's human nature. Yeah, it's biology. Yeah, what does the woman have?
The opposite thing.
The woman has a vagina. Yeah? And then what happens?
They do their business.
They do their business, they have sex. And then sometimes when they have sex, it can make a baby. Get your hands out and fix it up. Whatever. Yeah, they can have babies. What has to happen before you have sex? Before someone has sex?
You have to have a relationship.
You have to have a relationship. You have to, two people have to be in love to have a relationship.
Can I ask
To
a
have
question?
sex.
Can a woman and a woman have a baby?
No, you never.
Wow, no.
Okay?
So
Because
the
the man has the sperm
Yeah.
and the woman has the egg.
What's the egg?
It's
It's an
inside
egg.
the woman. So the woman has the egg and then the sperm goes into the
Yeah,
egg and
yes.
then it can form a baby.
Yes, mom.
Yeah? So you would have to be in love with each other before you have sex. Yes? Mutual respect. Yes? Before you have
A baby.
before you have a baby.
A child.
Yeah?
What's so funny? What's funny? What's funny about the birds and the bees? Okay, how do you guys think you got here? I know you know, so tell me how you got here.
My mom and dad.
Your mum and dad?
No, actually, my ancestors are my ancestors.
No. Your mum and dad, yeah? What did your mum and dad do to get here, to get you here?
They had intercourse.
They had intercourse. That's right, that's correct. What is intercourse? What's intercourse?
It's when a man and a woman, they like connect.
They connect.
In a sense.
And how do they connect? In a sense.
I don't know, I thought you can ask your part.
How do they connect, Leah?
I have to say it.
Yeah, say it.
The thing goes in there.
Don't do what? Say that clear. Say that clear. The what?
The thing goes in the
The thing goes in the thing. What, the sugar goes in the tea? What's the thing?
the man's.
The man's thing. What does the man have? Finger, the air. What does the man have?
She can answer this question. You do know?
It's just biology. You didn't
He has
biology,
a
yeah?
penis,
He has a penis. What does a woman have?
a vagina,
A vagina.
and a penis.
Yeah.
But the vagina has like two choices.
Yeah.
Strictly professional.
Yeah. The penis.
But it is inserted into the vagina.
Okay. And what is that called?
Sex.
Sexual intercourse. But let's think about what happens before the sexual intercourse, yeah? Do you think about that?
Sometimes they're a couple.
Sometimes they're a couple.
Sometimes they're not a couple.
Okay, so that's like boyfriends and girlfriends, yeah?
Yeah.
And what that's yeah, but we're gonna talk about couples. One night stands, it is also one night stand. But when you meet a boy, you might meet a boy, and you think, I like him. And you say to your friend, that girl is cute. And he says to his friend, she's cute. And then he WhatsApps you, will you go out with me? Because I know that's how you do it. Is that how you do it?
No.
Enlighten me then.
It depends.
It depends, like, if you go to the same school as the person, okay, they might come up to you. Yeah,
Or
they never
if
come
you're
up.
brave enough.
They never come up to you.
They just get their friends to be like their little groups.
Are you joking? Oh, in my day, the boys were brave enough to actually come and tell you that they liked you.
They just
Or
They're
they're
all
trying to
women
slap
that
your bum.
they're wimps.
They're whips, yeah?
They're scared
They're scared. Okay.
of rejection.
girls are there.
But at the same time, like if it was a girl that goes with a boy,
Yeah.
then they'll be in the same position.
Okay. So then once both their friends tell you that they like you, and then you start going out, then you might like start texting each other. No, Leah?
No?
No?
No.
You don't text each other?
Real. This is gonna be a sticky one. Alright, it's about the birds and the bees. You know about the birds and the bees, son?
I don't know.
About boys and girls getting together, having fun, making babies. You know about that, yeah? So you learned about it in school and that? Alright, cool. So you know where babies come from? Where do they come from? Told you it's a sticky one.
In bellies.
In bellies. I remember, that's a good one because I was about to say, well, whose belly? My belly. Oh, so you know they come from the mum, yeah? And you know how they're made? Yeah? I won't go too deep into that because I know you're a shy guy. Alright? What about consent? Do you know about consent? Do you know what consent means? That you mean allowing you. Yeah? So you understand that. You have to be clear on that because that can cause trouble later on in life, you see. Yeah? Alright, cool. So we want you to explain what consent is. Yeah?
I haven't learned about consent, so I don't know. But when people are trying to do certain things, they have to. The woman has to give consent to do certain things.
Alright. What about puberty? Are you going through puberty at the moment? I could tell by how deep your voice has gone over the last couple of months. So you're clearly going through puberty. So do you understand puberty? Yeah? Do you have any questions that you want to ask me about puberty?
No, off the top of my head.
You sure, yeah? And you're making sure you put your deodorant before you go to school in the morning and that, yeah? Yeah? Alright, cool.
Right, so before you know, especially as young ladies, you're responsible for yourself. So you would never ever, if someone,
Yeah.
what? You don't know what I'm saying. You have to respect yourself and respect your body. So you would never ever allow someone to do something that you didn't want to do. So before you even think about
Yeah.
doing anything, you have to give consent to do them things. Yeah, no one can just come and do things to you.
It's consent.
That you're allowing someone. Like if you say for instance someone holds your hand, but you don't want to hold their hand,
Yeah.
you're not giving someone consent to hold your hand, so you're moving it away. Whereas if you want to hold their hand, you'd hold their hand, wouldn't you? So you're consenting to them holding your hand. So you don't let people do what you don't want to do. Can you look at that down, please? Yeah? So you never allow anyone to do anything that makes you feel uncomfortable.
When you're with your boyfriend, yeah? If you're with your boy and you're going out,
wear a bit.
I'm not saying that's happened to you, but this is what happens, generally what happens. Right. You have to feel okay in yourself.
Yeah.
So, what is consent?
Oh, why are you putting your hands up for?
What is consent?
It's like if you're going out with someone, you shouldn't have like sex with them unless you give them consent.
And that they give you consent.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's not just sex though, is it?
It's like
Is that okay for
Touching.
Yeah.
no touching.
So if it's your boyfriend,
Yeah.
is he allowed to just touch you or does he need your consent? Is he allowed to try and touch your boob or your bum?
No.
Right.
Consent.
Yeah, because he would need your consent. Yeah?
Or permission.
Yeah, and if you don't feel, if he wants to do that and you don't feel comfortable,
And I'll smack
but if you said yes at first, and then he started to maybe touch you, but then you felt uncomfortable, is it okay for you to then say no even though you said
Yeah,
yes?
because it's your body and if
You can do what you want.
yeah.
Yeah, that's the right answer. And I'm glad that you said that. It's really important for you to know that if you don't feel comfortable, no matter what's happened before, it's your right to say no. Okay? You can end your consent whenever you want, and that's what's important.